Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Well, something exciting showed up at the Foldfactory PO Box this week, which led me on an excursion to find a few additional examples of a really unique specialty fold that I've explored only a few times in the history of the show. It's a triple swinger asymmetrical accordion hybrid format, and I've got 4 designs to show you, so let's take a closer look. First up is the design that inspired this week's episode. It's an event invitation to kick off a capital campaign for University of Arkansas at Little Rock, and you can see that the base fold is a very unique asymmetrical accordion with long cover and back cover panels and 6 equally sized short accordion panels in the center. Hanging off of each of those accordion panels is a swinger die cut that creates dimension, and in this case, it's to provide a brief history of the university by showing the evolution of the university seal. I love the black paper with silver ink and how the seals stack nicely on top of each other. Now let's look at a sample I'm bringing back from episode 435. You'll see the paper and proportion is very different, but it's the same formula, isn't it? Long covers, 6 accordion panels, and 3 swinger die cuts. This one is great because they made each die cut representative of a season, and the objects work well together and independently, separating the seasonal content and creating texture and visual interest. The larger size and horizontal proportion provides a lot of real estate for additional text and imagery on the layout without it feeling crowded. Next up is a clever design from episode 186, and this is a holiday idea. I like it because it's clean and modern and simple with very light content, but I also like that the swinger cuts are the letters in their logo. I think the first instinct is to make the swinger cuts objects or geometric shapes, but this design is proof that letters can work too. Pointing out the subtle differences between the examples, you'll notice that the accordion panels are a lot narrower in this piece because they didn't need the extra space for text or imagery. Okay, I've got one final idea to share, and this one is really special. It's a New Year's Eve invitation that I'm bringing back from episode 463, and it's on a black sheet with soft touch coating and bits of gloss UV and gold foil. However, the real wow factor is on the inside with the 3-dimensional swinger cuts that layer together to make the inner workings of a clock. The detailed shapes are great, and I love how they stripped out the interior pieces on the 3rd die cut shape to open it up so you can see the Roman numerals and the logo through it. It's great folded, it's great open, there's just no bad angle on this gorgeous design. So all of these involve die cutting, scoring, and hand folding, and that's okay because most of these were in the 500 to 1,000 quantity range, so the hand folding wasn't a huge undertaking or expense, and it was totally worth it for the resulting impact. Great stuff. I hope you liked this fun specialty format because I really enjoyed rediscovering it this week. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.